Before you spend $60 on Cursor, before you pay $50 for Lovable, before you sign up for yet another AI website builder trial, pause. Because what I'm about to show you costs 0 rupees. No subscription, no credit card, no upgrade to export. And in the last few days, I used it to build a fully animated 3D SaaS website that honestly looks like an agency charged $1,000 for it. Here's the crazy part. You don't need to code. Not properly, not confidently, not even for navbar. And you can build a premium 3D interactive website with glowing effects, smooth animations, and a floating object that reacts to your mouse. And I'm going to show you live right now. Why this is different. Most AI tools today want your money before they prove anything. They sell the dream first, the invoice second, and the results maybe later. But Google quietly released a Vibe-style coding tool that actually builds with you. It thinks, it adjusts, it fixes mistakes. It adapts to what's installed on your machine. And the best part? It doesn't treat you like a developer. It treats you like a director. You describe, it constructs. Today we're using it to create a futuristic 3D animated website from scratch. No templates, no drag and drop builders, no pre-made themes. Just ideas to prompts to results. The idea: a futuristic AI productivity tool called Neuroflow. Dark theme, glowing gradients, glass UI. Floating 3D hero background. Something that makes clients say, "Who built this for you?" Here's exactly what I typed. Create a modern SaaS landing page for Neuroflow. Dark background, blue and purple neon gradients, glass morphism cards, smooth scroll animations, add space in the hero section for a large interactive 3D object. Make it look like a $7,000 agency website. And now, watch this. On the right side, you can literally see it planning. It breaks everything down. Hero section, feature grid, pricing section, testimonials, contact form, animation logic. It's not just writing code, it's building architecture. Now I hit proceed, and line by line, the website starts forming. Hero section done, navigation done, feature layout done, responsive styling done. In under 2 minutes. Let's open it. And boom, clean, premium, structured. But we're not done. Now comes the crazy part. This is where most people think, okay, now I need Blender. No, we're using Spline. You're telling me people are still building flat websites in 2026? Watch this. This 3D scene, made in my browser. No downloads, no crazy setup. It's called Spline. You drag shapes, add lights, throw in animations, and boom, interactive 3D. Buttons react, objects move with your mouse. It feels like a game. And when you're done, you just copy the embed code into your site. That's it. No excuses. If your website still looks 2D, that's a choice. I pick one. Click Remix, delete extra objects, adjust lighting slightly. Done. Now export. Transparent background, web embed, copy the production URL. That's it. Now back to Google's tool. I paste. Replace the hero background with this 3D object. Make it full screen. Ensure text remains readable. Optimize performance for mobile. And here's where it feels different. It doesn't just embed blindly. It adjusts spacing, fixes contrast, tweaks Z-index, improves loading behavior. At one point, it even ran into a small script conflict, and instead of failing, it rewrote the approach. That's when I realized this isn't just code generation, it problem solves. Refresh. Now the hero section has a floating interactive orb reacting to my mouse. That alone increases perceived value 5 times. I even pushed it further. I asked for something that actually matters on real client projects. I typed, add a fully functional contact form with validation, success animation, and error handling. Then create a dynamic testimonial section with auto-scroll, glass cards, and subtle entrance animations. Now this is where most tools break, because animations plus logic plus responsiveness usually mess something up. But watch what happened. First, it structured the form properly. Name, email, message, real-time validation. Not just visual, functional. Then it built the testimonial section. Instead of static cards, it created horizontal auto-scrolling testimonials, soft glass morphism background, neon border glow, slight hover lift effect, pause on hover interaction. And it made sure everything worked on mobile too. No layout breaking, no weird spacing, no animation glitches. Refresh the page. Now the website doesn't just look good, it feels alive. That's when I realized this isn't just generating HTML, it understands user experience. And that's a big difference. Still evolving. And the best part is it is completely free. No credit card, runs locally, adapts to your environment. And for beginners, that's huge. It's part of Google's new generation of AI development tools. And I genuinely think Google is playing a very smart game here. They're giving creators, freelancers, and students real power without asking for a card up front. Let's look at what we built. Animated hero section, interactive 3D background, smooth scroll transitions, glass UI cards, highlighted pricing, responsive layout, all built from prompts. If you've been waiting for the right time to learn coding, this is it. Because now, you don't need to learn everything. You need to learn how to instruct AI properly. Welcome to the new era. Now go build something insane.